Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So I am back with another Leetcode Daily Challenge, and it is Leetcode number 454 for sum 2. It is a medium level question and I also feel the same. So here the question is, you are given for integer array. It is nums1, nums2, nums3 and nums4 of length n. Return the uh, tuple ijkl such that is from 0 to less than n, and nums1 I plus nums2 j nums3 k plus nums4 l is equals to 0. Okay, so I think you understood that we have to find all the combinations which give us 0. Okay, from if you see the example 1, nums1 is 1 2, nums2 is -2 -1, nums3 is -1 2, and nums4 is 0 2. So if you choose -2, 1 and -1 and 2, it will give you 0, as you see here. And similarly, if you take 1 -1, here again -1, and here 0, okay, means this 2 -1 and 0, it again give you 0. So there are only two possible all solutions, so the answer is 2. Example 2, here all are 0, so only one combination is possible, 0 0 0 0, so answer will be 0. And the constant is nums1, nums2, nums3, nums4 can go up to n, which means 200, and all the value in nums1 in the arrays are from -2 to the power 28 to +2 to the power 28. Okay, so let's begin with an example. Okay, so the first thing, okay, so the brute force one is you can do a n to the power 4 sum for solution. Okay, means you can use for loop, and you can iterate through all the element and try out all the possible combination. Okay, but this method will give you TLE. Okay, because it is given that 200 is the value of n, so it will be 200 raised to 4. Okay, so it is 200 to the power 4, so it will give you TLE. Then one another approach is to make the complexity a bit low, like you can try it out with n cube also. Here you can, what you can do, you can choose one of this num and store it inside a map. Okay, let's say I choose the nums4 and I will store it to a inside a map or a set, whatever you want. So let's say I take a map. Okay, so the 2 I take 2, and I to take over 0, and I insert this inside it. Okay, now you can apply 3 loop n cube solution. So you can apply 3 loop and try to find out a possible way to do do the calculation. Like you can, here 0 is presented and 2 is presented. So if you are able to find a sum of -2, then -2 and +2 give you 0, so you get one answer. Okay, similarly, if you manage to find 0 from these three, so it will be 0, and again 0 is inside, so 0 plus 0, you will get a answer. Okay, so this is 200 cube. This is the complexity is 200 cube. I think it will work fine. Okay, so it should be 8 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, maybe it work fine, but there is one more efficient way. uh, like you can also do it in n square also. Okay, so n square is all similar to n cube solution. Okay, so here you can see that if a plus b plus c plus d is equals to 0, it means that A plus B is equals to 0 minus C plus D. Okay, so it is equivalent to A plus B is equals to minus of C plus D. Okay, so now you can, so I think you can get an approach like what you have to do. Okay, so what we will do, we will try to make one combination. For suppose we can make A plus B combination, and we will try to find out minus C, um, minus C plus D. Okay, so I will take two num. Let's I will take num1 and num2. You can take any of them, and I add them and put them into our map. Okay, so here it is one. Uh, we have to take all the combination. Okay, so it is 1 minus 2, it is minus 1, then it is 1 minus 1, it is 0, 2 minus 2, it is again 0, and it is 2 minus 1, it is 1. Okay, and we try to find out its opposite version. Opposite means its opposite sign version. Okay, from these two. So whatever we get the combination from these two array, okay, we just simply multiply it a minus 1. Okay, so if we get a negative value, then we change it into positive, and if we get a positive value, we will change it in negative. Okay, so that it's negative positive, after converting it will pair up with these elements and try to find out a 0. Okay, for example, if I try all the combinations, it is minus 1, then it is minus 3, then it is 2, 0 is 2, and 2, 2 is 4. Okay, and their minus version is 1, 3, minus 2, and minus 4. Okay, so now you can try to find these elements inside. Okay, so I hope I copied the all the correct numbers. Yeah, then whenever you find a number which is present inside, okay, you just increment the count. Okay, so uh, this is the code. I have taken a map, and I taken a count variable, then I iterate through nums1 and nums2 and find all its pair. Okay, I just add them, all the element together. Okay, means one by one, and put it into our map. Okay, so what we will do, we just find out again. I iterate through the other two map, and I just take out the sum, and I just multiply it with minus 1, because we need to do 0. So if my AB is in positive, so it is required that my BC will be in negative. Okay, then only they can make a 0. So after that, I just find out if that number is present inside our map or not. Okay, if it is present, then we just add its frequency. Okay, like if a number, let's say 1 is present 4 time, okay, in the map, so I will increase my count by 4. Okay, because there is 4 possible combination available, and then I just simply return the count. So hope you understand the code. Let me run it. It is very easy code, just you need to think the intuition. Okay, so it is solved, and I will provide the code and the question link in the description, so check it out and keep coding. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.